The essential characters of NY-802 is small volume and can be easily installed on HFFS, VFFS and intermittent or continuous flow packaging machines. It is for coding manufacturing dates, expiration date, production date, the weight, or the price, and other informations on packaging plastic films or paper films in packaging industries. Now I would like to introduce our various kinds of type holders for our NY brand date batch coding machine. Classify from material. There are two kinds. One is brass material and aluminum material. Classify from dovetail angle design, existing 45° and 55°. Classify from printing lines. The groove number have 2 lines, 3 lines, 4 line, even 5 lines. For the groove width, also have 2 mm, 3 mm and 4 mm length requirement. Our standard often is 33 mm, 38 mm for single head date coding machine. The different type holder design also will decide what font size we use.